taping?
I'm taping.
Okay, ready? William. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear William. Happy birthday to you.
Baby, how old are you? Are you one?
Don't touch the fire. Blow it out.
Are you one, Diddy?
Mom, can I blow out the candle?
Why don't Philly blow out the candle? Okay, it's cupcake time.
Cupcake.
What do you think?
What do you think it is? I don't know what it is.
Balloons too.
I don't know what you have to do. It's kind of suspicious.
Here you go. You want a second try? You want a second try?
I was not prepared
No cake for you.
How could you not like something that's good? I'll give it a try. Want another try?
We'll do a little bit less.
I agree. It's good.
It's better than peas.
Is it better than tofu?
It's better than peas because he would never let them in his mouth. I had to sneak.
You're wrong about that one because William eats peas.
Not ones that are crushed up, yes.